Unreal Engine 5 versus Cycles Renderer. Choosing the right renderer can completely change how you create stunning visuals without compromising performance or flexibility. We'll look at both options briefly to see what sets them apart. Unreal Engine 5 and Cycles are powerful rendering engines used in graphics and animation. The core difference is that Unreal Engine 5 focuses on real-time rendering for interactive experiences, while Cycles is a path tracing renderer designed for photorealistic offline rendering workflows. Unreal Engine 5 is a real-time 3D creation platform developed by Epic Games, widely used for games, virtual production, and interactive media. It works by rendering scenes instantly using advanced technologies like Nanite for virtualized geometry and Lumen for dynamic global illumination. This enables artists to see changes live, speeding up iteration and creativity. Its strengths lie in delivering high-fidelity visuals with real-time interactivity, making it ideal for game developers, VR creators, and filmmakers needing immediate feedback. However, it requires a powerful GPU and can be complex to learn due to its extensive toolset. Unreal Engine 5 excels when projects demand immersive environments and responsive performance, but may be less suited for purely offline photorealistic rendering where every detail is computed without time constraints. Cycles is an open-source, physically based path tracing renderer integrated into Blender, designed for producing photorealistic images and animations. It simulates light transport by tracing rays as they bounce through a scene, capturing realistic effects like caustics, reflections, and global illumination. Cycles supports CPU and GPU rendering, offering flexibility across hardware setups. Its strengths include accurate light simulation and high-quality output, making it perfect for artists focused on visual fidelity in film, product visualization, and architectural renders. The main limitation is that rendering times can be long, especially for complex scenes, since it is an offline renderer. Cycles is ideal for users who prioritize image quality over speed and are comfortable with Blender's interface. It is less suitable for projects requiring instant feedback or real-time interaction. Unreal Engine 5 shines in scenarios where real-time rendering is crucial, such as game development and virtual production, allowing creators to interact with their scenes instantly. Its advanced features like Nana and Lumen deliver impressive visuals without pre-rendering delays. Cycles, on the other hand, excels in producing photorealistic, physically accurate renders for films and still images where rendering time is less critical. While Unreal Engine 5 demands high-end hardware and a steeper learning curve, it offers unmatched speed and interactivity. Cycles is more accessible for detailed offline rendering but can be time-consuming. Choosing between them depends on your project's needs. Prioritize speed and interactivity with Unreal Engine 5 or choose Cycles for precise, high-quality offline renders. Unreal Engine 5 is recommended for creators needing real-time rendering with rich interactivity and dynamic lighting, perfect for games and immersive experiences. Cycles is the best choice for artists focused on photorealistic quality and physically accurate lighting in offline projects. Both renderers offer unique strengths, so consider your workflow and output needs carefully to select the renderer that fits your creative vision perfectly.